In this video, I will show you how to create a modern resume template. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Word and click on Layout. Now select page size A4. Click on Insert, then Shapes, and select a rectangular shape. Select height 11.66 and width 2.8 inches. And format, click on Shape Fill and then More Fill Colors. Now red should be 40, green 50 and blue 65. Click OK. Now again from shape take all shape. Press and hold shift key and drag for circle. Press and hold shift key and select both shapes. Now click on align and align center. Now from insert take a text box. Shape fill, no fill and shape outline, no outline. Now type contact here. From a shape take a straight line. Shape outline should be white. Press and hold shift key and select both. Now group it. Take another text box and enter your contact information here. You can also change font style, color and its size. Now click on contact and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Now again duplicate the text box and enter your education here. Now again change font style, color and its size. Now type your skills here in bullet form. Press and hold shift key and select all shapes. Click on align and align left. Now take another text box. Type your name, your profession and your objective. Now again change font style, its color and its size. Now select your name and click here. Now click on Advance and select Expand. Now select spacing from normal to expand. Now select your profession and also expand it. Now change font style and justify it. Now again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Remember that don't change the width of text box. After typing experience, click on enter. Now type here dash 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 and again click on enter. Line should be drawn automatically. Now bold it. Now enter your full experience detail here. Type your all job experience in the same format. Duplicate another text box for references. Type your references detail here. Press and hold Shift key and select both text box. Now in format, click on align and then align left. Click select circle and go to format and shape file and click on picture. Now select picture from your computer. Click on second format and then crop. Now drag and arrange the picture. Our resume has been created. You can download this format from link given in the description. Click on a link and directly download this format.